Please start.
Okay. This is my presentation. The brand I present is...
Wait, sorry, you paused to the screen share. Click on share the screen again. Because right now I see everything black. And if you can turn on your camera so that I can see you too, it will be better.
Okay.
Okay, now I see your screen. Oh, it's paused again. It stopped again. So maybe you will not put the... yeah, maybe like this, it will be fine. So we'll see everything.
So I start. The brand I present is Jew. Jew House was founded in California in 2018 by famous Canadian singer Justin Bieber and Hollywood producer Ryan Good. Jew House, deeply influenced by skateboarding culture, unique street style. The name of the Jew comes from the Bieber's middle name, Jew. In the early days, the founders were designed to bring happiness through their products. The smiling face Jew has also become the most representative logo of the brand. And the brand slogan is Jew House is a place where you can be yourself, well, like you don't care. At 2018, this pair of smiling face hotel slippers, in line with the nature of play, did not expect the results on the shelf, but seconds sold out after this wave of clothing hitting. Jew words or brand smiling face logo common on the design, covering t-shirts, cap, trousers, and other items. At first, yellow's series is the main color. Slowly began to add other colors like red, purple, mint green, and others. And it only have pop-up shop and online shop. Many Bieber's fans, stars, and skateboarding enthusiasts will buy the clothes. Nowadays, the brand is becoming more and more popular, and there are a lot of fans in China. Next is my and I will talk about the future scenario. The first one is new consumer behavior. It divided into two parts: green consumption and shopping online. Green change means that consumers require their own consumption activities to protect the natural environment on which human beings depend, maintain ecological balance, reduce and avoid excessive consumption and waste of natural resources, and realize sustainable consumption. With the rise of the world environment protection movement, the Environmental Protection consciousness of modern consumers is increasing day by day. To this end, they regard the protection of natural resources and the ecological environment as their own responsibility, link consumption with global environmental and socio-economic development, and consciously bring personal consumption demand and consumption behavior into the norms of environmental protection. Even put forward the slogan of "Be a green consumer." Every consumer should be asked not to be influenced by advertising, not to make unnecessary comparisons with others, but to buy the most necessary items according to their actual needs, and to reuse and recycle the goods they consume as much as possible. Second is digital change. The modern pace of life makes people go out shopping less and less time. Traffic congestion and increasing stores extend the time and energy of shopping. The dazzling array of goods also make consumer dazzling, so that you urgently need new fast and convenient shopping methods and services. Because of the epidemic, people go shopping less and buy online, thus developing the digital economy. Next is new product. The future clothing will be more and more scientific and technological sense, meeting people's needs. First is the sensor T-shirt. By the sensing system on the T-shirt, the wearer's body temperature, respiration, heart rate, and so on can be monitored. While this material's clothing, which part of the body problems, the smart system on the clothes will issue an alarm. Second is 3D printed clothing. A new biodegradable fashion product 3D print plastic for clothing design, but also environmental protection can be described as two-way development. Today's awareness of environmental protection has become a major topic of environmental governance. Environmental issues that focus on the world are increasingly on the agenda, with greenhouse effect and marine pollution. While printable, degradable clothes 3D meet people's normal needs and take into account environmental protection. The future must be a worthy policy. Environmental protection. Everyone has a responsibility. Third is muscle bionic clothing. There is also a muscle bionic clothing under development, which uses the principle of muscle contraction and expansion of force. The body will have a strength after wearing, not only the ability to overcome obstacles, but also to help the wearer jump beyond the normal height. This is an example of the combination of bionics and high-tech clothing materials. The third is new services. I think artificial intelligence sales will rise. AI, the development of technology. Artificial intelligence has become a new engine of enterprise marketing. In the process of brand marketing, if enterprises regard artificial intelligence as only a tool, brand marketing will not be successful. only on the basis of deeply understanding the basic concept of artificial intelligence. Enterprises should reconstruct the internal marketing methods to make sense systematic and comprehensive with the development of the times. Artificial intelligence technology will become more and more mature. Artificial intelligence may be involved in every field. 15 years from now on, artificial intelligence maybe will serve you in the store. According to big data, choose the goods for you. And last is the new distribution. I think in the future we just pay a portion of the money a month on the website, and artificial intelligence will deliver some items according to big data, according to your preference. This is my last work. Thank you. That's all.
Amazing project, Joy. Very, very, very good presentation. You've done everything as it should have been done. First of all, you fit into the time frame. You did everything in 11 minutes, so perfect timing. You put the previous works. I mean, just if you put it from the beginning and then you explain the new project, it's better, but it's okay. It's not a big deal. Overall, it's a very interesting selection of the brand, Drew, that, I mean, it's not that super famous yet, but still it's like it has a nice potential. So it's a nice search, like very innovative predictions for the future. And I like that you explain, like, okay, this is new product, and you bring examples and you explain about it. And it's briefly and key to the point. And then it's like, then it's a new service, and then it's a new distribution. So everything is clear, very good presentation, very good structure. So I'm very proud of your work. Very good job. I'm happy to see such level of work. Very good.